Left field. It is out of here.
Hey guys, Mr. Coach DJ here. Today we're doing a little bit of BP. We're trying out the new Cat Connect, the two-piece. It's a U-trip, drop 5. I'm working it out with my 10-year-old. Come here. Trying to transition him from a drop 8 to a drop 5. So he's going to be using, this one is a 30-25. So we're going to get a couple swings in and just see how it works and see what he's doing. A lot of you kids that are like doing 10U, 11U, 12U, and I see a lot of drop 8s on some big kids. And what you're doing is you're using lighter bats that's compromising the bat. So there's less material and you're not getting your full effect out of the bat. So you want to try to get the true size, get closer to a drop 3, so you get your better results out of what you're paying for. So like I said, today we're using this drop 5. It's the Cat Connect 2-piece. Got a little 10-year-old here swinging, even though he looks like he's 14, but let's go. All right, so there you go. We've got some swings in. You got to see the importance of opening our hips up and staying back. Some of his swings, he's stepping like towards the plate or stepping towards the pitcher, and he's either like hitting the ball down or he's just missing the ball completely. Then he starts staying back and opening those hips up. He's putting more power on it. So for him, he hasn't really played ball in like about a year and a half. So he's just getting back into the flow of things. But a lot of you hitters out there, just make sure you're staying back, you stay on that back leg to keep your power in there. Don't go leaning forward. Don't try reaching for the balls too much, especially going towards the plate. You're going to take away a lot of power of your swings. You're going to do a lot of just swinging with your arms. So yeah, it's a good bat, but also you need to work on your actual swing itself. But if you like these videos, make sure you subscribe, turn your alerts on, make sure you drink water. Thank you for being coachable.
High drive. Left field. It is out of here.